Well, I think so, but there's the Fairfax connector coming. But you like it so much, if you like it, there's Avian Parkway. It's going there. You know where it goes. It's okay. We're just gonna have this back in a moment, all right? They're gonna have the bus here, and here it comes. But I don't think so. 1B doesn't want to run on weekends, but only on weekdays. So I'll wear a suit on the last routes. And remember, there's going to be bus routes that are coming, all right? There's going to be 2B, all right? They're going to have it here. But I think it's going to be having the time, but we need to know if bus routes are some of it that are there. We have a time to wait. I just got this Metro card with me. It's alright that I like to use it wisely. It's okay to use it wisely. I think we have time to wait. I have to get this ready.